Hello nerds! Today we're going to Universal Studios Hollywood. What's up everyone, this is Scott, and on today's itinerary we are going to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I've got a couple POVs for you. I will let those play, and I hope you guys have a good one.
But we haven't lost anyone yet. Not this week, anyway.
Hey, you lot. Come see the dragon, have you?
Right, hold on. We're going to the Quidditch pitch. Look out!
Showing off your muggle and Mars.
Slytherin takes the lead.
Dementors! This way! Hang on!
That's it for today everyone. See you next time and happy travels.